Hi, I'm Tim Robinson from Aerospace Magazine, the Royal Aeronautical Society. I'm here at the Singapore Airshow 2026, and we're here with...
I'm Naoki Morita.
From your company?
Yeah, it's Air Kamuy.
Okay, and what is this amazing thing you've got here? Is it a model aircraft?
Yeah, actually no, this is a real one, Air Kamuy 150, the cardboard drones. So this is made from cardboard. So it's very cheap and low cost, long range because it's fixed wing types and mass producible because this is regular cardboard, so no special foam board or materials. So every cardboard manufacturer can make these planes.
What would you use it for?
Mainly counter drones.
Counter drones.
Thing. So target drones.
Target drones.
So they shoot it down, this plane, to training counter CAS.
Okay. And how far could it fly?
Yeah, it can 80 kilometers of flight times and 80 minutes of flight time and 80 kilometers of flight duration, range.
Okay, and that's an electric motor in there?
Yes.
Okay. What about the payload?
1.5 kilos of payload with batteries. So batteries and 1.5 kilos of payload.
Okay, and this literally comes in like a flat pack for people to assemble?
Yes. Flat pack or semi-assembled.
Yeah.
5 to 10 minutes to assemble on site.
Okay.
So it's very easy to operate. And also in control time, manual control or automatic control, but 2.4 gigahertz transmission, but easier to control because they are good flight control system.
Okay.
So automatically stabilize.
All right, and I mean, is it in service yet? Or is it being trialled by any customers?
Currently we are testing with Japanese
Okay.
government.
Japanese government. All right, brilliant. Well, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.